Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Denise Glam Style Living. Today, I am participating in a Tablescape Tuesday open collaboration, and this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Her special theme is Bust of Lemons. Please go to her channel and show her some love and support. She is so amazing, and I will link her channel and a playlist in the description box below. Welcome to my blue and white elegant lemon tablescape. Please come in, relax, and enjoy the tour. It's pouring down raining outside, but in here, we are buzzing with lemons. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Lots and lots of lemonade. My beautiful blue and white vintage tablecloth was purchased from a consignment store in Ohio, courtesy of my dear friend and sis, Glamour Allen. My blue placemat and yellow chargers came from Hobby Lobby. My lemon dinnerware was purchased last year from the Dollar Tree. My blue and white napkins and gold flatware came from Hobby Lobby. My candle holders was purchased years ago from the Dollar Tree. My blue wine glasses came from Home Goods. And those beautiful candlesticks was a gift from my dear friend and sis, Glamour Ellen. And I'm using yellow candles that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. My lemon, salt, and pepper shakers came from Home Goods. My lemon wreath was purchased from Hobby Lobby. My beautiful white pitcher came from Home Goods. And I did this gorgeous floral arrangement, and all my florals was purchased from Michaels and Hobby Lobby. I think this table turned out absolutely stunning and just perfect for spring and summer. Don't you agree? I hope you enjoyed my blue and white elegant lemon tablescape and it gave you lots of inspiration. If so, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new video. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you so very much for all your love, your kindness, and support. You are so amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to share me out because I'm on the road to 3K and it helps my channel to grow. Thank you, Anna, of the Grace Light DIY Home Decor, for this awesome collaboration, and all the participants. Have a blessed and wonderful evening. Bye-bye.